to day 4 of unboxing the 15 days of Beatles socks advent calendar. So, on day 1, we had the Abbey Road socks. As a quick recap, if you haven't watched the other videos. Day 2, we had... What did we have day 2? Oh yeah, the ones with the logo. Day 3, we had the little green apple socks, of which I am wearing right now as we speak. Day 4, predictions. Leave them down below. One person guessed in the comments they think Yellow Submarine. I would love to see Yellow Submarine stuff, because you guys know I lose my shit over Yellow Submarine, but... as we saw with day 3, stuff was shifting over, so the only spoiler I had is that they're gray. So, I didn't see what was on them, I saw that they're gray, because they shifted. I was like, wait a minute. Yeah, there was another pair. So I was like, okay, those are for day 4. So my only guess, being gray, it immediately made me think of those Beatles-themed Beanie Baby bears from, like, the late 90s. And there's that I Want to Hold Your Hand bear. And it's that same shade of gray, so I'm probably a mile off. But that is my guess. So let's find out. Even though I think did they shift again? They did! Okay, so annoying. But I'm gonna punch out the door anyway, just so I don't lose track of where I was. But still, rude! How dare you keep shifting like that sucks? Ah, the door ripped. Whatever. It ain't that important, because we don't really need it. Meh. Alright. Well, they're way over here, so they ended up behind door number 2, even though they're for day 4, so... Oh! Okay. So, while I was wrong, I'm so glad that I was wrong, because, oh my god, we finally have the faces! Oh my goodness, they're so cute! They're so cute! And it's like one picture across both socks, even though they do have them on both sides. Oh my god, that is... Poor Ringo. I feel bad. Ringo, like, got the shit end of the stick on the steel. The other 3, their faces are well done, but Ringo, though, like... Okay, so, like, we have our John, yeah? We have Paul giving John some side-eye. We have George looking very emaciated. And then Ringo just... My boy. You've been done dirty. Again, as usual, but... But these are really cute, though. My god. And they have blue, my favorite! So, I very much like these. And look, we even have my little, like, turquoise down here, so... Okay. I'll take it. Of course I will. I'm taking all of them, but... Okay, those are friggin' adorable. Not gonna lie. So, I'm pretty darn stoked with day 4. This makes up for the green apple ones being a little bit of a... really? That's the best you could do? Yeah, these are better. I like these. So, do we have predictions for day 5? Blue background, red heart for the door. There seems to be no correlation between what's on the doors and what's behind them, but just, in general, what do we think? I am predicting with that color combo... Help-themed. I'm probably wrong. I'm almost definitely wrong, but we'll find out when I do the next day of these. But anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are your predictions for day 5? Were you correct for day 4? Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.